about transportation. So this session is part of the world of living as per NCERT CBSE State Board class 10th standard science. So in this session video session we talk about transportation. So transportation can be defined as movement of any substance from one place to another place, right? So whenever the object or anything which moves from one place to another place, we call it as a transportation. Water and nutrition is required for all metabolic activities should be transported in the body of plant and animals. So जब भी हम खाना खाते या पानी पीते, जो भी जो जो हम पीते या खाते, तो वो बॉडी के अंदर जो ट्रांसलेट यानी जो ट्रांसपोर्ट होता, so that also we call it as a transportation. The waste material or excretory products should also move to region of excretions. जो भी वेस्ट रहते हैं इसके अंदर, तो बाद में क्या होता, तो दैट इज नंबर 1 नंबर 2 में जो बाहर आ जाता. तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशंस इन एनिमल टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू circulatory system which includes like blood vessel and heart. So blood is a fluid connective tissue consists of a fluid medium called plasma. So inside the blood there is a thing called plasma. Then second one, that is excretion. Excretion is a biological process by which an organism get rid of excess or toxic waste product of metabolism. So जो भी खाना यानी खाना खाने के बाद या पानी पीने के बाद जो एक्सेस रहता, यानी जो फिल्टर होकर जो बाहर निकलता यानी जो वेस्ट होता, so that what we call it as a excretions. So either it is in the form of number 1 or maybe in the form of that is number 2. Excretion removes unwanted byproducts, metabolism, so toxic chemical substances, regulate ionic concentration of a body fluids, and regulates water content of a body, regulates pH value also inside the body. And then excretion in plants here, major waste substances produced by the plant are oxygens, carbon dioxide and water. Some of the waste stored in the leaves are removed by the detachment of leaves itself from trees. So यानी प्लांट के अंदर भी एनिमल्स के अंदर भी जो रहता है यहाँ पे एक्सक्रीशंस. देन कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन इन द प्लांट. So control and coordination in a plant is done by some chemical substances called phytohormones. So phyto का मतलब होता plant यानी plant hormones. The plant hormones are responsible for growth of the plant. ठीक है. For example, like auxin is the responsible for plant growth. The movement of a plant is done because of various chemical factors like gravity, touch, etc. Plant का growth के लिए these are the this particular chemical is responsible. Then control and coordination in animals. The control and coordination in the animal is done by nervous system and hormonal system. Nervous system control the reflex action of the body, as you can see in the picture here for more detail. Then next one called tropic movement in plants. The tropic movement is the movement of plant in response to stimulus present in the environment. This movement is in response to root and shoot growth. There are mainly 5 types here. So tropic movements are considered in plant totally 5 types are there. First one called phototropism. So photo yani light here. Geotropism, geo yani geology. Then chemotropism, that is a combination of chemical. Hydrotropism yani water bodies, and thigmotropism. So these are the totally 5 tropic movements in plant. So more on these sessions, so stay tuned to our next video. So thanks for watching.